Hello and welcome back to our Swahili lesson. Today we are in the kitchen and we're gonna learn about kitchen utensils. Habari na karibu tena kwa darasa letu la Kiswahili. Leo tuko kwenye jikoni na tutajifunza kuhusu vifaa ama vyombo vya jikoni. Karibuni sana. We're gonna start with the cups, moving to my right. Tutaanza na vikombe tukienda kwa mkono wangu wa kushoto. So this is a cup. In Swahili, it's kikombe. Kikombe. When you have more than one cup, like I have here, it's vikombe. Vikombe. Alright, we have a bottle. Chupa. Chupa. When you have more than one bottle, it remains the same. It's still chupa. We have a bowl. Bakuli. Bakuli. When you have more than one bowl, it remains the same. It's bakuli. Bakuli. We have our forks. Forks in Swahili is uma. Uma. When you have more than one, like I have 4, you say uma nne. Uma nne. We have a spoon, a cooking spoon. Mwiko. Mwiko. Again, when you have more than one, it's still mwiko. We have a water jug. Jagi. Jagi in Swahili. We have our knives. Kisu. Kisu. When you have more than one knife, it's visu. Visu. Alright? We have our spoons. Kijiko. Kijiko. When you have more than one spoon, it's vijiko. Vijiko. We have our water glass. Glassy. Glassy. It's a direct translation. Glassy. Again, when you have more than one, they still remain glassy. Alright? We have a plate, sahani, sahani. Again, when you have more than one, it's still sahani, sahani. At the tail here, I have table towel, taulo, taulo. It remains the same if you have more than one. Sasa tuko katika sehemu ya jikoni. Nitawaonyesha vitu nilivyo navyo hapa. We are now in the kitchen section of, and I'm going to show you what I have on my table. Starting again from my left, moving on to my right. We have a kettle, kettle, birika, birika. We have a pot or a cooking pot, sufuria, sufuria. We have a cutting board, ubao wa kukatia, ubao wa kukatia. Again, this is a type of a knife, so ni kisu. Kisu. Again, as I said, if you have more than one, it's visu. Tuko na kibuyu, kibuyu, thermos, kibuyu. On this side, I have my cooker. Jiko, jiko, ukiwa na zaidi ya moja. If you have more than one, it's meko, meko. On this end, there's the sink, karo, karo. The top is mfereji, mfereji. Then we're gonna move to the back. Have my oven, oven, tanuri, tanuri. Then the microwave, tanuri ya miale, tanuri ya miale. Microwave, tanuri ya miale. Tuko na kabati, shelves, kabati, kabati. We also have drawers, rafu, rafu, where you store different things. We also have our fridge, friji, friji. And yeah, that marks the end of our lesson today. We have learned kuhusu vyombo vya jikoni, kitchen utensils. I hope you have gotten the pronunciation and you have learned a lot. I look forward to having you again for another Swahili lesson. Kwaheri and asante sana.